Why is Generation X so mad?
Ever notice that Gen Xers are just a little bit angry all the time?
Gen X is a very angry group for a lot of reasons.
Yeah, maybe you'd be angry too if you spent literally every morning from circa 1982 to 1992 to sounds like this. Or this. And before those of you out there remind me that it was in fact a clock radio that we used for an alarm, don't. Because although I realize we could have chosen our favorite radio station to wake us up to the wonderful sounds of 80s music, that never worked. Why? I don't know. Maybe we changed the station in our sleep, fumbling around for that snooze button. I don't know, but be whatever it is the reason, if we didn't choose that annoying alarm sound, this is the sound we woke up to.